Welcome to this episode of Basic Automotive Skills. In this episode, we'll learn how to use a telescoping gauge. Telescoping gauges are widely used in the automotive world. They are primarily used to measure cylinder diameter at different depths of the bore. If the measurements vary outside of a certain specification, the cylinder is considered out of round. Let's take a measurement. Begin by releasing the telescoping gauge by twisting the knurled end to the left. Releasing the gauge while inside of the bore may cause damage to the cylinder wall. Once the measurement is taken at the desired location, remove the telescoping gauge from the cylinder. I will use a set of vernier calipers to take the measurement. A micrometer may also be used. If you'd like more information on how to read a vernier caliper, you can watch the video I made in the Basic Automotive Skills playlist. That looks like 2.783 inches. And that's how you use a telescoping gauge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.